Hey friends, so I'm going to talk more about the environment and all these chemicals when we get to the pillar called environment. But today I want to continue with the idea of things that are contaminating our body. I want to talk about plastics. The one plastic that is most studied is bisphenol A, or BPA as it is well known. The major problem with BPA is that it is an endocrine disrupting chemical. It has been proven that it is a reproductive toxicant, a neurotoxicant, and obesogen, because what these chemicals do is they either mimic or compete with our own natural hormones. Today I want to touch on a term that you might not be familiar with. It's obesogen. And as I said before, BPA is a known obesogen, which simply means that these chemicals are a major factor in causing obesity. You can go to the article I mentioned yesterday, the link is again below, and get some more information, or just read the quote that I put down in the description so you can get a better idea of how BPA messes with our microbiome. My point here today is that there are so many people out there who are trying to lose weight and they can't. Are these plastics messing with their progress? This is something that is not even considered or talked about. I'm touching on it here because BPA does mess with our microbiome. So what's the solution? Stop using plastics as much as you possibly can, especially when they're in contact with food. In our household, we look for food products that come in glass containers, which I know is so hard to find now. But even if you buy them in plastics, put them in glass containers. Try and minimize their exposure to plastic as much as you possibly can. And even if things say BPA free, please don't microwave them because the heat will increase the leaching of these chemicals to the foods that you're eating. I know it's next to impossible to do every single thing right, but the more informed we get, the better choices we can make and the healthier we will be. We'll talk more tomorrow.